The Chalk Sound National Park viewpoint is absolutely beautiful. So this is a natural lagoon that is on the southwest side of Providenciales in the Turks and Caicos. So you can see here, this is a huge natural lagoon. It's a national park right by the airport. And at the very end, you can drive and see the actual viewpoint. So as we were driving up, we were looking for the turquoise water, but you only see these green lakes. But then there's a trail that takes you over to Chalk Sound. So we parked in the cul-de-sac. You walk over to the trail, and the trail will take you to the turquoise water. So as you're taking the trail, there's a trail that goes up, and there's a great viewpoint right here. So from this viewpoint, you can see the shallow and brilliant turquoise water with hundreds of small rocky islands out in the distance. So then we started driving down the road towards some other pull-offs where you have some good views. We found this little pull-off, and you just walk a short trail and you've got a beautiful view. Then we drove farther down the road, and there's a dirt road that you can go out for another view. I would highly recommend having four-wheel drive to do this road, but it was absolutely beautiful.